Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve passive income with Wealthfront step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Wealthfront website. Create an account if you haven't already. Provide your email address and set a strong password. Verify your email by checking your inbox for a confirmation message. Log into your new Wealthfront account. Complete your risk assessment questionnaire. This will help determine your investment strategy. Link your bank account for easy fund transfers. Decide how much money you want to invest. Wealthfront typically requires a minimum investment amount. Choose between automated investment options or manage your investments manually. Consider setting up a recurring deposit for consistent contributions. Explore Wealthfront's tax loss harvesting feature. Understand how this can help maximize your returns. Review the investment portfolio recommended for you. Adjust any allocations based on your financial goals. Take advantage of Wealthfront's financial planning tools. These can provide insights into your broader financial picture. Regularly monitor your account performance. Wealthfront will automatically rebalance your investments as needed. Stay informed about market trends and changes that may affect your portfolio. Consider increasing your investment during market dips. Maintain a long-term perspective to see the benefits of compound growth. Utilize Wealthfront's financial planning services for additional insights. Evaluate your progress regularly to make adjustments as necessary. Continue learning about passive income strategies through various resources. Implement any tips you find useful to further increase your earnings. By following these steps, you can enhance your passive income with Wealthfront. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.